Rune up. Everyone needs to have a rune. Everyone rune.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come, fools! I've already seen your end!
Focus text her, she can die.
Did you assume it was her? Or?
It
It is a girl.
All of them are. Even the Krogs.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Oh, okay. You got it.
The power of the Who will be your doom!
Debuff swap to Crusher. Commit to Crusher. Yep. Got debuff, go. Good.
Die, you son of a bitch! To blood, we shall
Second soon.
Second. Yep. Tell Diamond.
He's okay.
Push it
rise from my
behind.
blood.
Push it hard.
The weak. Come, brethren. Die, you son of a bitch!
Circle down.
Will be your
Make sure you're in for SLT. When he transitions, use the defensive if you have.
No.
Dahoud's blood flows through my veins. Tremble before my power.
Right in the middle. Make sure you don't get, like, go through with him to me.
Alright, focus Crusher hard. Crusher hard. Crusher hard. Get that debuff on him too.
Die, you son of a bitch!
Unit range.
I'm in it.
Get him.
Witness your end and
Need
despair.
a lot of heals.
Can you cross up?
Have a lot of them too. Won't hurt.
Yeah, I'm not able to pull them off.
Die, you son of a
I'll
bitch!
stack you, Booker. There you go.
You're gonna back hit me.
I need someone in this one.
They're getting chained. Go. Run. Stay one, Booker.
Bot me.
Die, you son of a bitch! Witness your end and despair.
Watch the head.
Just stay in melee.
I need anything. Anything from healers right now. Anything from healers. Thank you. Pain Sip should do.
I'm gonna be dropping. I'm just running out to die probably. Yep.
Battle res him, battle res him.
Got him.
Yep. You have to get away from this pool.
Witness your end
We got him.
and despair. Die, you son of a bitch!
Soak it if I can. I'm probably gonna
Just
die here.
live. Just live.
Go.
He's almost dead.
Nice!
Yeah.
Nice job.